All right, let's get our R squared now. I've got our data back up here, xy, x squared, xy, y squared, and their sums down at the bottom. So for the R squared, now you have your formula in front of you, right? Let's do the numerator first. That's a parenthesis, n, which is 14 times the sum of the xy, that would be this, minus the sum of the x's, which is this, times the sum of the y, which is this, the whole thing squared. Now all of this is over. Now notice in the denominator, we're going to have two products here, and we need to put a big parenthesis around the denominator, because if you don't, the second product is just going to multiply the numerator. That's the way Excel works. So let's put a double parenthesis, and the bottom is n, again 14 for the first product. 14 times the sum of the x squareds, that's this, minus the sum of the x's, that's this squared. Whoops, made a mistake here. Squared. Close your parenthesis for the first product. Now, times, and let's put the second product. Gonna have to move this over a little, I guess. Well, maybe not. Let's see. So n 14 times the sum of the y squareds, that's this, minus the sum of the y's, that's this, squared. Now close your parenthesis for that product, and then make a second close parenthesis for the whole thing. And that should give you our R squared, 0.90. And that's the percentage of variation in sales that are due to the square footage, 90%. 10% roughly is due to other causes.